Welcome to our tutorial on how to edit a signature name in Gmail on your PC. By following a few simple steps, you can personalize your Gmail signature with a name of your choice. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. On the top right corner of the screen, click on the Settings icon. It looks like a gear. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the Signature section. Click on it to access the signature settings. Step 5. Next to the signature you want to edit, click on Edit Signature Name. By clicking on Edit Signature Name, you can modify the name associated with your signature. This is particularly useful if you want to update your name or make any changes. Remember, you can customize your signature further by adding additional information, such as your job title, contact details, or a personalized message. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your Gmail experience.